solve a multi-step equation by combining like terms. So we're not going to do any distributing or anything. We're just going to solve this equation. 3x minus 5 plus 3 minus 7x equals 2x plus 15 minus 8 plus 19 minus x. No problem. When you see something like this and you're like, all right, I've got an equal sign, which means left and right side, great. If I'm going to impart some new problem or new operation, I got to do it to both sides. But in this case, when I'm first going to just focus on just the left side, are there any like terms I can combine? Let's make this problem easier. So I can start by saying, okay, I've got a 3x minus 7x. Remember, just the left side. So 3 minus 7 is negative 4x. And then I have a negative 5 plus 3. Look at your constants. Negative 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So I've made the left side a lot simpler. Now, let's focus just on the right side. What kind of like terms do you have? So first I have 2x minus x. Remember, if there's no number in front of the variable, it's automatically a 1. So I have 2x minus 1x, which is just 1x. And then I have 15 minus 8, which is 7, plus 19, which is a positive 26. All right, I've made the problem a lot simpler. So now let's move all the x's to one side. So if I have a 1x on the right and I want to move it to the left, the opposite of a positive 1x is a negative 1x. So I'm going to subtract 1x from both sides. All right, that goes away on the right. And I have negative 4x minus 1x, which is a negative 5x. I still have minus 2 equals 26. Okay, so variable, last thing I'm going to play with. So instead of minus 2, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So these will go away, and I'm left with negative 5x equals 28. So now, when I do the same thing to both sides, I have negative 5 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I end up with x equals a negative 28 over 5. So simplify. Combine any like terms on the respective sides of the equal sign. Once you have like terms combined, then you can go ahead and do your steps to both sides. Inverse operations. Just make sure you do the same on both sides of the equal sign. And then you have yourself a solution.